Good morning everyone. Today we will study about reason for chemical activity of an atom. So before starting, you should know what are valence electron. Electron present in the outermost shell are known as valence electron, and the chemical properties of elements are decided by these valence electron, since they are the one that take part in any chemical reaction. So valence electron will decide the nature of an element, whether it will be reactive or non-reactive. Okay, so to understand it better, just have a look at the electronic configuration of noble gases. Noble gases have a stable electronic configuration. What is the meaning of stable electronic configuration? It means they have completely filled valence shell. See, helium 1 shell 2 electron, neon 2 shell 2 8. Valence shell is completely filled. Okay, because we already know that valence shell cannot have more than 8 electron. Same way argon 2 8 8, krypton 2 8 18 8, xenon 2 8 18 18 and 8. Radon also you will see valence electron. How many valence electrons are there? 8. So what is common among them? All noble gases except helium have 8 valence electron, and this state is known as octet state. Okay, so octet and duplet arrangement seems to represent what? Stability, and hence noble gases are almost inert to chemical reaction because they already have completely filled valence shell, so they do not gain, lose or share electron. I hope it is clear. So now we will see why other atoms other than noble gases react, why they are reactive, because they do not have stable electronic configuration like noble gas. Okay, take example of sodium. What is the electronic configuration of sodium? 281. Chlorine 287. Same way oxygen 26. Magnesium 282. So they do not have completely filled valence shell. Okay, so in order to obtain a stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, they react. Is it clear? So the driving force in combination of atom is related to what? The tendency for them to attain a stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Okay, so before starting, different example, you should know what is octet rule. For an atom to achieve a stable electronic configuration, it must have 2 electrons in the first shell, outermost, like that of noble gas, helium. This rule will be known as duplet rule. 8 electrons in its outermost shell, like that of noble gases other than helium, and this rule will be known as octet rule. Okay, so chemical combination of atom involves what? Redistribution of electron, so as to leave each atom with a stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. So attaining chemical activity by an atom, different methods are there. Number one, by transferring one or more electron from one atom to another atom. And second one, by sharing one or more electrons between the two combining atoms. So that we'll study in detail. Okay, by taking different example. Okay, see here, tendency to acquire noble gas electronic configuration by metallic and non-metallic elements. Certain example, we will start with sodium atom and chlorine atom, how they obtain stable electronic configuration. Okay, so first metallic atom, how they obtain stable electronic configuration? By loss of electron. Your sodium electronic configuration is 281. It will lose 1 electron. To obtain stable electronic configuration of neon with the formation of sodium ion, that is cation. Clear? Metal will lose electron to obtain stable electronic configuration, and loss of electron is known as oxidation. This also try to remember. Okay, loss of electron is known as oxidation. So here metals are oxidized. Sodium will be oxidized to form sodium ion, and positively charged ion will be known as cation. Okay. Then chlorine. In order to obtain stable electronic configuration, non-metal gain electrons in its valence shell. See chlorine, electronic configuration of chlorine is 287. One short of octet, so it will gain one electron to form chloride ion with the electronic configuration 288 as of argon. And gain of electron is known as reduction. And negatively charged ions are known as anion. Okay, so this is clear. Yeah, how when metal and non-metal combine, how they obtain a stable electronic configuration by transfer of electron. Metal will lose electron and not metal will gain electron. Take another example to understand it better. Calcium and oxygen. Electronic configuration of calcium is what? 28A2. So by losing 2 electron, it will obtain a stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, that is argon. Okay, with the formation of calcium ion. Ca2 plus. Okay, 1 electron loss, 1 plus, 2 electron loss, 2 plus. So calcium will form calcium ion by the loss of 2 electron. This process will be known as oxidation. Then oxygen electronic configuration is 2, 6. 2 short of octet. So what it will do? It will gain 2 electron to obtain stable electronic configuration of neon 2, 8, resulting in the formation of oxide ion O2 minus anion. Okay, gain of electron is known as reduction. Okay, so oxidation and reduction is clear. Ionic definition of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means loss of electron, metals are oxidized. Reduction means gain of electron and non-metals are reduced. Okay, when both atoms are non-metallic, then how they obtain their stable electronic configuration? Because metal only can lose electron mostly. So how they obtain a stable electron? Take example of hydrogen molecule. How they combine? 2 atoms of hydrogen combine to form 1 molecule of hydrogen gas. So here both containing 1 electron. So what they will do? They will share 1 electron to complete duplet. Okay, same way oxygen 6 electron in the valence shell, 2 6 is the electronic configuration, 2 short of octet. So what both will do? Both will contribute 2 electron. So they will share 2 pair of electron between 2 oxygen atom and obtain stable electronic configuration of neon. Okay, so that is how they can obtain a stable electronic configuration. So I hope it is clear which elements are non-reactive and which elements are reactive. Okay, noble gases are non-reactive. Why? Because they have a stable electronic configuration, and other elements are reactive because they do not have a stable electronic configuration.